Ava again. And sorry if you hear noise in the background, because that guy is riding a motorcycle. And yeah, so I'm going to be doing another video outdoors. Okay, so this video today, right now, is going to be, it's just showing you how to crack, well, it's just showing how I crack my neck. And if you know what I'm doing it for, if I'm really doing it for fake, if I'm really doing it for real, okay? So you're going to leave a comment down below and say if I'm doing it for fake or for real, okay? So, just 1 second. I need to put the camera in a position. 1 second. Okay. Ready? Oh, I'm scared. Wait, I need to go over here so I could sit with the camera. Yeah, so I haven't done this in a long time, so I might go, yeah, like I normally do. So, yeah. Okay, ready? Ow! It's unbelievable. Let's do the other side. Yeah, that's gonna give me neck pain, so don't try this. Never do it. All my advice. Thank you. Watch my videos. Bye. Leave a comment down below. Only have 4 subscribers. Please leave more subscribers. And I'm so sorry I haven't posted in a while, because I was so busy. So, yeah.